Hi, my name is Xiaoxi Froming with ON Semiconductor, and today I would like to discuss some benefits of using a mixed signal ASIC for industrial applications. A mixed signal ASIC, or application-specific integrated circuit, integrates analog and digital circuits on a single semiconductor die. Some benefits are a higher level of integration, lower power, higher reliability, and are difficult to copy in new designs. Mixed signals ASICs are already being used in many industrial applications, such as manufacturing and process automation, sensor machine interface, building and home automation, POS terminals, and many more. Your industrial designs need to work in extended temperature ranges, have long product life cycles, and need dynamic and standby energy efficiency. Mixed signal custom ASICs solve all these issues. ON Semiconductor created custom ASICs that can be customized to specific customer needs. Whether you're making the future of smart connected manufacturing facilities or just need to quickly and easily test your new products, mixed signal ASICs by ON Semiconductor are fully customizable for any application need. We have a large library of analog IP cells, such as data converters, oscillators, op-amps, comparators, switches, filters, peak detectors, RF detectors, LNA, band gaps, etc. that can be customized to meet specific customer design needs for the ASIC. To learn more about mixed signal ASICs for industrial applications or the rest of our product portfolio, please visit www.onsemi.com. Thank you.